We here at Custom Sportswear want to take you through the step-by-step process of running a successful field day program. Firstly, distribute order forms to teachers so they can pass them out to the students to take home. Secondly, ask teachers to hang up their sale flyer in their classroom and remind their students about ordering before the deadline. You will then need to hang the extra posters and large color mock-up poster in the high-traffic areas of the school. Now, it's essential to show the students their sample t-shirt. If they see it, they will want one. This step increases response dramatically. You will have to work with the principal and office to make daily loudspeaker announcements, as well as text and email blasts reminding everyone about the sale and deadline dates. 2 days before your sale's end date, distribute the last chance reminder order forms to the teachers so that they send them home with all students the day before your sale ends. Make PA announcements notifying students that tomorrow is the last day for orders. This helps prevent stragglers turning orders in after the sale deadline. After your sale's end date, collect and make copies of all order forms. Hold on to the money collected and promptly mail the order forms back to CSI. Your representative will contact you as soon as your mailed forms arrive at Custom Sportswear, and they'll work with you to close out your program. Questions? Call or email your representative or contact Custom Sportswear directly at 800-697-0330 or info@customsportswear.net.